Welcome to Broad Auto Sales once again. 2010 Toyota Hybrid Prius. This is the one you want, 50 miles to the gallon. And this one only has 9,000 miles. From what I hear, these are pretty difficult sometimes to find at the dealerships because they're usually out of stock. This one with the package 4 comes with the backup camera and the navigation, has heated seats, plenty of room to carry any cargo you need. These times of high gas prices, this is definitely the way to go. And if you want to save the environment with this electric and gas vehicle, right now the vehicle is running, you can't even tell it's running on electric. This one is equipped with the leather seats inside. Very easy to drive, comfortable. I mean, nothing wrong with the car, body-wise, paint-wise. Heated seats. It's a little strange when you first get in these things because there's no gauges in front of you. Everything's in the middle. Let's see. I can show you all the functions of this vehicle. Tells you the past fuel consumption. Tells you whether the vehicle's running, charging. There's your backup camera. All you have to do is press park. It's in park. If you want neutral, if you want drive. I mean, everything's push button. You have EV mode, economy mode, power mode. You also have your nav here. There we go. It's got voice command. Here's your start button. Here's the key. Guy still keeps in the plastic. I mean, has all the books, has SOS Safety Connect system. If you need more information, please give us a call here at Broad Auto Sales at 973-242-2555. 9,000 miles. I mean, brand new vehicle, nothing to talk about.